Hello everybody, I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to teach you the 3 most basic principles that all processes and measures in cybersecurity are based on. We call them the CIA. CIA stands for Confidentiality, Integrity, and Availability. So I'm going to go through each of them individually and give you their purpose, what is it for, and an example of it. Start with confidentiality. The purpose of confidentiality is to prevent the unauthorized disclosure of data. Basically, you want to keep people you don't want messing with your information from being able to access it. Pretty simple. An example of it is, say your client gives you their credit card number to purchase your product. You want to make sure that you save that credit card number in a very secure way and you don't leave it out for anybody to see it and possibly use it without them knowing. So you want to keep that information from being accessed by unauthorized users. The second one, integrity. The purpose of integrity is to prevent your data, your information, from being altered by mistake, tampered with, or corrupted by unauthorized users or malware, a virus. Now, this can happen a lot of different ways, but for example, you can have an employee that gets in your database, gets access to your data for a legitimate reason, they're authorized to do it, and still they may delete something by mistake or add something that they were supposed to add by mistake, and that messes with the integrity of your information. Using that same credit card example, you don't want your employee to get in the database and delete that credit card before your company was able to finish the order and get the money. Or you don't want those credit card numbers that you have stored in your database to be easily accessible by a malware, by a virus that gets into your system. Now, finally, the third and final principle is availability. The purpose of availability is to ensure that your services and your resources for your company are ready and available when needed. A quick example of it is what we call a single point of failure. For example, you have a service or a product, say you have a website that is getting a lot of requests. You're having a very hot website that everyone wants to get access to. And everything, all your resources, everything that you have that website on is on the server, is on one single server, single point of failure. If it's on one single server and that server fails, your service is not ready and it's not available. Therefore, its availability has decreased. Thank you so much everyone for watching. This was a very, very basic video and I tried to make it as simple and as quick as I could. And if you found this instructional and it was beneficial to you, leave a like so that other people who are looking for this content can find it more easily. And if you know somebody who would benefit from learning this, share this video with them. Thank you so much. Oh, and I also have prepared a PDF little flyer about this information that if you want to just have it for your notes or something, you can download it. There's a link for it down below. Thank you so much and see you next time.